Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Namaste here and I'm back fam with the best and funniest TikTok videos of Noko Mashaba. This is a full 1 hour episode. This is part 3 of the video all of them Noko Mashaba and Malume Dons. These are the funniest videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time when I drop. Let's go straight to it.
Letjobana la borena le bone le sogana ka mo ga mashaba. Re mmona ele motho a ka phagamisang sefande sa borena.
Malume Chincha, listen name. Shut up wena. Ngwana wa rena a zanka ntshetswa magadi before. O sa le fresh. O completely grade 3. Ibile o na le code C ya driver's license. And a zanka a belega before.
All right. A re tsane tabeng. Le ka reng ka 4 hot wings.
4? Never. Ke a tseba o useless, but he's worth more than 4.
Okay, all right. 10 maybe.
16 hot wings. For ngwana wa rena. This is only fair.
All right. Wow.
Malume vele o Chincha say name me for 16 hot wings.
Shut up, Odla. Jamoya for lunch. Hey, hands up on you, Satan! Can't you see this is a stick up?
Joe, what's going to change? I cannot challenge.
Hey, shut up, man! Oh! It's like one dong to actor, ne? Shut up! Me bra, uzwakele in the bag.
Get back a you are.
Hey, Baba, to carry the sauce. It's like now going to actor, ne? This is not a soapy, Baba. Fuga! Hey, bo! Let's keep on, gun manj. Sela ke phansi lo muntu.
Ngawo jama.
Hello, ke maphodisa.
Yes, who this?
Ka re nthusentle. Go na le majita a mabedi mo. Ha zama go ntshatsa.
Okay my man, please call after 30 minutes. Muthembu sa ishite vene kwa kawash.
30 minutes. Ke taba ke go ile mos.
Emanyana mo, I think Bella siya ka ya evaporate mo.
Lena, me tolera tsa batho.
Hey my man, make it 60 minutes. Muthembu has been hijacked in Tembisa. I have to make another plan.
Hey, open this door. We know you're in there. Hey, open this door when I your moron.
Open the door. Which door?
This door, bloody Satan.
Open it for what?
Yes, go hijack, man. What's a small shell car to win?
No ways. Forget it.
Oh. My good man. Yes, game man. Funa son.
Oh, crap.
Hey. Anje see me salanjani, me bro.
I are motsene ka plan B.
Eba, ukanga utwenzani? Umoshisikhati man. We have plenty work to do. Ukana for spori samazingaphuthuma.
I'm still updating my Facebook status. Kenya korabatse go re mapara. Pela is not easy being a gangster and a celeb.
A celeb? What is that?
It's someone who is famous on Facebook.
Famous for what?
Famous for
Famous for doing what? Bacula, by actor, benzani labantu. He? Bahola malini labantu.
Abalatse next. They just take many pictures and get many likes.
Hey, sounds like this celebrity thing is useless. No peace, with motion. Hey, bo. Eva, is this cool gangag? A little spinach, when.
I am a Mediterranean.
Hey, what?
A Mediterranean. The opposite of vegetarian.
I sugar, not just a fat idiot, when.
Info. Ntsoka re ne kulubus adipose syndrome. O re itia ka nako man. Re ke mo gitleng patse ka shote te o tla re botsa mo so se leng gona.
I'm going to ask you one time. Ivale sauce.
What sauce?
Phoso salanche sa sauce man. Ra tsebo nayo re bone poto ka monte ka mo.
Lithubile le batlaka just for a sauce.
Just the sauce. Mtagora sauce ya puso, it's just the sauce. Hi, Mr. Rich. a ke tsona o tsuba mara hey ya o gana man
enhle kule nto icanga ukuthi sa-acta lana ne lalela aringe ukuthi leso siva otherwise sizokukhafulela yazo or yini angithephi
wena Cosmo why o le busy o ropa batho ka re already o na le nyoko
Hey, Bob, haven't you heard? Funny can fire God and get away with it. So if this acting thing doesn't work out, at least I will have a criminal degree to fall on.
Diben Jona mawera mapanteng jwan mo re kopane
Hey,
pila
shut up! When? Vala lo mlonyana wakho. Otherwise I'll bite off your nipples. Wahlafunya, phinde ngwabuyisela. Uyezwa?
Joe
Hey, what's cooking after baking, Isu?
Mr. Officer.
Hey, Scampicha office is standard too. Obana office ranam. Wait a minute. Mr. Cosmo, I don't believe it. Is that you?
In the flesh.
Hey, my man, I am a big fan. Hey, you have to sign my card. Mtum is gonna be jealous. Mara oke togwa mela. Gape situnya se situnchi 34 minus se kwa American. In fact, what I can. Never mind, discuss a sign. Hello, Lenyaga, I'm more attitude.
Mr. Officer, we are racing for the new movie called Generations Legacy. Ish, enegwamele sifaya, no. Ish, iphela slam leli. Hello. Funi mvudla. He. I'm on my way. Mr. Officer, gwamele sifaya.
Oh, no problem, Mr. Cosmo. And then what are you looking at? Kanyanye kamona, wasa barabara.
I'm a man
So,
di bra ke tša basadi
says you. I go tabeka ticket ya 5,000.
o tompha ticket ka gore ke apara bra
Eh, so ne tšo recruit je chile je tšago man. This is public indecency. Ya ba to ripa to borelela kwa police station. Ibile re go tlhatlhele your piece of fence.
And then, what's my khutes? Ish. Boss Maleven. Boss Maleven say vat man. Ivale sauce. Ish, boss. Amagata uyafika sapushitesho. Eba spices alabantu.
Hey, shut up, man. Cop or no cop, you must took charge. You must put the knife here. You see? Abazokumamela ntwana ngiyakutshela. Or you show them with their last born and took her to hot shower.
But there were 10 cop cars. And the Scorpions. And the Hawks. And the other force. My beret. Yo, bengathi fruit salad yamagata.
Hey, Bob. E.g. I put a pistol in a face such as this. You see? What's your?
Boss Mboreleni.
Ayinzungishangi practical. Yakubona ngathi understand le theory.
Manje boss ubani lo?
Hayi khatala sethembisa leli. Sila hijackile just for control.
Eh mon, o nyaka go mpotsa the famous Cosmo o ropile bookstore kgotsa a nagana go na le phususala ntšhisa sauce ka mogare.
aowa ke nnete
Wa gafa, useless nje. Se o se tsebang ke go ja. Bona gore no nne bja mone. Ke gore a ke tsebe gore ke go khantra tee go fa gabedi na. Gape o ka re kwa yona group park. Ke yona sexy chubby ninja ya Casper University ye. Awa. Ke gore ke understand gore studio seo se swareletse ka moyo mo kgetho o fa go diagana. Le melao ya physics I dumele. And I can understand gore why wena le khulubusi ba sa le counter in the big 5. I must call the minister about this. Gape you look like a family reunion ya this slender man. Ach, le manufacturer wa Herbex a ka fella ke stock before ba thathamolla fetse yago. I'm sure le bosenyo ba go blocker toilet.
jo ga lo tsogetse nna mamone
Hey, shut up! I do the questioning and point of orders around here, and you will never be recognized in this house. Stupid fat man. Kemaya.
Mona, mutakobolela nnete mona. Hana molato.
Matlebian, you are interrupting a very serious interrogation here, and I'm sure this thing here you Luca, so I want to finish before Tapisha police station Negamo. So break a net so, because I will get to the bottom of this no matter how fat it is.
Teleja mona. Uskangita papai wa uto. Asan lampob. I have solid evidence. Cosmo and his friends checked in a bookstore and tagged each other in a status that reads, busy stealing sources like bosses. Lol, I'm about to cook a dog bazooka. Hashtag gangster vibes. Hashtag none those things. Hashtag self-love. Hashtag teamy baller. Hi, it's very clear now that celebs are just professional idiots.
Eh, Musmak Zaga Zaga has made things easy for us with this Facebook thing. Erego batafisha moket. Ko batla paga surprise arrest to tabon. Matlebian, get a chopper to come get this buffalo out of here before Gimupuj.
Ngena.
Show me, sister.
Ehe, nangu umuntu bo. Ungena la ngathi ubalekela xenophobia. Ngesikhathi sokudla pho. Hayi cha uyakuthanda ukudla ne.
My sister, you just chose to be ugly and stupid at the same time. I have far more important things to do than go jamina tene ya go ka rebe sepela ka ga volcano. Erego go zamenya.
Hayibo.
Ibile o jamina tana ka fucking knife. Hey, you like things, ne? Whoa now, I'm looking for Cosmo, okay yeah.
He's in that room number 11.
It's very my sister.
tsena
Ebat, ke nyakile go thula ke phofolo e nngwe ya mohuta ka monte. Ke ma mothodi.
O reng ngobani manje? Imedium.
Oh, that's your wife. Hey, o ka re ke Beyonce, my man.
Oh, thank you very much, Ndod. Very nice.
No. Ska ke thaka thaka ntshangwanish. Ke rata soccer player.
eban letsholo nyane
O tampotsa ra o bone re ntshwela go ka re ke Australopithecus africanus. I'm sure o butse she will catch a grenade for you. The way I be feeling ka gona, it's obvious go catch the grenades for the ex tja ka mo. Hape ke mootwa thui. Dilo tja boshego. Where did you meet her?
ba gatlane Facebook
O mmorile ka the math method.
Met method. What is that?
Makeup angle and filter. She's very nice from far, but very far from nice.
Aibo, I think you're right, yes. And that when you first start, Linda.
Emon, kono realize no go runyala ne le manko. Apo ka go thaba ka sandpaper mo. Ibile ke tsena ka mo ke nyaka le re lebetile Halloween party.
No, man. The meeting at by Scobo every day. Yeah? And you visit Linda. Hey, Cosmo, abizelo mfazi. Fanele sichazele ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
Africa network. Akuna moya. You are all under arrest.
Hey, bab. We won. Tina C4. So kushanga a handicap match of the season.
Stupid. Ibile o tsebe go ba. Ke marenge one.
dude a re gatla le tla bošego jwale
My man, you said you wanted my sauce. Here you go.
Wala ka.
Hi go. Kanti sikhipani la? Siyasithakatha manje.
You have exactly 0.nothing seconds to raise up your hands.
yo nna jo ka re ke tlo e thotela
Bona di-stupid jamane. A ba batho ba re nthola diboko. Le mona ntho ke grenade a se avocado. Malolo le tse ditlau. Ai, mo ke mo mabena. O lo phale ke le ka tshela ba ithuba le tshi. Na ntho di ka se dira ka le nna. Ebe ke tlo ba rata spinning back.
Excuse me, obuti wa veste e tshweu e chipileng. Should we pause the movie so that you can finish your stupid podcast? Didimala.
Se wa di-eyebrows tša go thadiwa ka foshone. O nreketse ticket.
No, mara le ka se
Focus mo di-eyebrows tše tšago tše ka re di le ka go tšhabela sefatlhego. Wena o mo, mara di-eyebrows tšago di ka kua tlabega.
Shebathong.
Sis, Motlogolo, can you believe this? Metlholo e rata batho. Motlogolo, I hope o roragile pakete because there's no way that you are sleeping. Hey, tsoga wena manjo, bloody fool.
Le lapela la go thuntšha le kae?
Tlogela go popodiwa mo, ke go bone gore o robetse. O lekile go flooda the entire southern hemisphere ka ditete tše tšago.
Ebe ke sa robala malome. I was just performing involuntary ocular suspension and passive auditory processing once.
Enge, e menagana ntone o.
It means you should have paid more attention in grade 6. Bona ga le bia no shile ke syllabus.
Do you have any idea what I had to do on crack the ticket check? Ile ka tshwanela ke go rekisa both of my livers. And wena o dira o re kgama ka ditete. Go na appreciative wena. Hey, a o borile moreki shem.
Yeah man, you have only one liver malome.
That's not the point. Na baby ke rata action. O dirile.
Ga no actor ka can plug le life support ka wading ya bana gore ke charge phone.
Ya ne. Go re ke dio tša phoofolo ya maboya. Ka epesha dikobo ka itsentšha cinema.
yona idea e betha top lesson learned.
Mara, it's not that deep, malome.
No man, within the last 6 months o ka re o le MPC nyana so.
Akere wako. Now you are just inventing things to complain about.
What about lenyalo la motswalago? O spendile the entire reception o le ka bathroom. Wa ba le bana le go flasha and had the entire venue smelling like number 3.
Man, whoa. Number 3 ke efe bjalo?
Wena botsa nna.
Ai, o dramatic, malome. Na ke tlo criticize ke motho wa dinko tša go expire ka apartheid.
What about nako le rile Brian ya Mamodiba? Wa bia vorso go di mga Brian stand. Ya tswa Brian standing e le build up. Ile re sotla go ja sa gaso sa bona so because mona. Loco! Have on tele di chemona.
Really?
Motlogolo, don't make me crash out. You go make me crash out. That's it. Baoloile. When the first thing in the morning, Robana Kukuna Pian. I can go negotiate a lemon demoni today.
Ardu agae, malome.
Fumani bo.
Siavo.
Moshimanyano ga loiwa.
Akere wa kwa malome. Ke go boditse gore you are jumping into conclusions.
Let her cook motlogolo. Ralende.
Ga loiwa ne. O ne bothatanyana ba monagano. Ntwa go swana le depression.
Depression?
Fumani bo.
Ai, na
Arvumi mo.
ya. Hey, ora depression ya America. Malome, is this your chef?
E be sa tsebo tlo bia ka maoto motlogolo. Ene wa bona ba tlo la sere ke Aletas food. The slides tša modimo.
Ngo humole wena. Nuku depression e khono swara mang le mang. Ngo mpotse mo. Nkile wa le ka counseling wana ka.
Counseling? Se suwe, re tlile mo go tlo evicta le demoni le le beng ka mogare ga motlogolo. Le tlo go lefa safe space.
Jaaka re take o fonele nomoro e. Ba tlo go fa thuso le gore wa e hloka. Receptionist ya ka e tla thusa ka invoice ge letswa.
What? Oh, ke a go bona wena. O scamatist ga botse. O lokutsimela wena. Gobane ga nko botse ba taba jago. E bo tlo tseba gore counseling ke a basadi. E bo tlo tseba gore monna ke nku llela teng.
Tlhokomela molomo wa gago Dons. Tlapi e re e tanya ka molomo. E se go ka mosela.
Hape just because your face is not easy on the eye. I mean go banchosha. Na go tshabi na piana.
O reng?
O nkwele ke re you are chopped.
Skantela ya Dons. Ke tla go gobatsa.
O tla go batsa ka eng na piana? Words of affirmation.
A mona ga wa itekanela go senka go dira go sona mosha.
E be mo.
A mona ga wa itekanela.
Enuku. Mashaba. Mfethu, ubhizi yobhafara lapho. Uzohlala uri kanjani?
Oh, le ka no dlala. Vandag, e rekile spereleng what's left of your manhood.
Ukhra ntwana. Phela wena kulamalanga ntwana unokuhlala ngathi unamarwayi nyana. Khambani ngawe wena?
Ma, nna, nna ke grand. Marwayi shale kwa alwa le moya.
1 2 1
O ska bolela godimo o tlo go kwa. Difakanyana tšela gape ke diko. Belt on a hot plate of pap and steroids. I can take him. Nka di o butsetša moya nyana mo maotong. He will be on a disability grant by tomorrow.
1
Hey.
2 1 2 1 2
Ga botse di ntshang ka yena mothakodi.
Awazi? Mfana zile zamshiya wangena boma institution. Since abuyile, athi uloyiwe kahle kahle. Seyakhukha insimbi waya. Nuku. Ethi kenzakalani ngawo? It's like ingqondo yakhe ithe short left wena wasala la.
Ish.
Tell us boy. We listen,
We
we
don't
don't
judge.
judge.
Wa tseba re ke? A ke tsebe mfethu. All I know is life is not life here. These days I've been feeling ofunyana. A ke tsebe gore ke tla re dintsha. Entleke. I think ke na le depression, yes. Hey bana sinayise sibathalo thamakhuwa bena.
Yabo into elandelayo uzobe sekasitshela ukuthi sekanqanya boma jumpy bunging nalezi zinto zokuwa emoyeni yini boma skydives.
Oh athoma ngoba the aircon more negative 2000 degrees Celsius.
Nje sikuyadlala man. Bana na depression nake munna nake indoda amadodi. It's just a phase boy. Wonke umuntu unokudumala sometimes. Phela wena umakasana ngithi again. La mana mina mana yasizenzi lezi zinto lana phela abantwana imali. Relax.
Nadatseba unyaka. Mogolo womi.
Who need a bird?
Chanas, I will write, man. I'm not depressed. I just needed spinza.
Tell you baba phela sifuze chemist baba bebe into zabo baba uyangithola. Hayi siqhubuzini.
Hey wena, vuka. Igate lama kuyona iAirbnb yakho. Phuma last dititi.
Hey, quit that yipping. I wonder if it's no one wants to wake up to a Zulu rock in Rasedi ka tsebe.
Ubiza bani Zulu lock?
Motogolo. O bole kae mabane bosigo? Aka go botsa go clean ntwe. Sis man, bona room e bjang. O ka re ke tsene ka ga di headquarters tsa Alostro.
Sorry malome, ibikisele.
Homola. O busy wa TikTok mo o di bjana di family Burj Khalifa ka kwa kitchen. Le la bashimanyana ba matsetsa. You are lazy and softer than Mareo. Emelela mo o clean ga le bjana.
Wa tseba malome babi intutse mogolo. E re ke blomenyana na.
Ke felo man. He ke tsoga mo. Ke lo go kwa mo gwa se sepe on better at the back of my nostrils from kwa gate.
Ish. Hello, mthatha.
Socialami unjani boy?
Emina ke bethe ke baba lezi ngwe.
Uyakela ngithi ukuthi sihlamahlama sikhishwa ngani? Mobhuzi baba. Cha abantwana seshisa nyama, khona inyama ewoswayo, ushinamba, utshwala mlingene for ukuthi udelete wonke ama emotions. Zwakala man boy. Luku, usasekhona?
Wa tseba ke ke go humana the drinks tse wedi for line mo. Ex op depart.
Danki ntwana yami.
Wena futhi.
Eshthompo. Fandaka ke nana kwa ralo ka thoming ke re le wena mfethu.
Wemfana. You can't keep doing this to yourself.
There you are. What's about the petty neighborhood? You come guy, you bloody nonsense.
Relax, Matala. The boy is going through something. Mhlawumbe mama yeku conquer my order, you would notice.
When I don't put your water, the story is still to me. He's going through what? He's about to go through the face. Hey, I can see a more. I am clean and clean.
Ngicabanga ukuthi une depression.
Inge, I can't walk over like a depression. Motho ba le depression e bjang fridge tletse dijo le Wi-Fi e le strong.
I-depression ayisebenzi kanjalo. I've been in a similar position.
Ayibo, uphambene if ucabanga ukuthi bangiloyile ukufana nawe.
Abangithakathanga. Bheka. Yazi kunzima ukwamukela ukuthi une depression. Kodwa ngithembe kunzima mangakwazi ukwamukela. Nami ngaqala kanjalo, ngizizwa ngilahla ithemba. Ngilala kakhulu, nginganisenendaba nezinto engisithandayo. Ngavele ngadideka ngahlangana ngangena ukugologo kwabheda ukuthi ngangene mental health care facility.
Hey, what's about over and let you motogolo? Le nna mo bophelong ba ka there's been many times maybe o re be ke feel the way you feel nga gona motogolo. Mara nna re godisitswe ba re monna ke nkulle la teng.
Umpheto loyo, monna ke motho, naye uyakudinga ukweseka. Nami ukweseka kwangisiza kakhulu. Ekugcineni ngathola izindlela eziphilayo zokubhekana nezinkinga njengokuzivoqavoqa. Nuku kufanele ukhulume nomuntu mayelana nempilo yakho yengqondo.
What's about king? All right.
it's time ke dira something about my situation. Malome, ona le airtime mo. Wa tseba Thumpho wa Makaja. Ga di go na le motho ka mo. Na pe na go e ka moka ke rudo ba di nama go di moga marapo.
Hayi man, yini manje le? Is that?
I can explain. Let me explain. I can explain. Tell us, boy. We listen, we don't judge. What's about again? I can say even feet. All I know God, life is not life here. These days I've been feeling awful young. I can say it like dinta. And like I think you can a little depression, yes.
Hey bana, sinayise sibathalo thamakhuwa bena.
Yabona into elandelayo uzobe sekasitshela ukuthi sekanqanywa boma jumpy bunging nalezi zinto zokuwa emoyeni yini boma skydivers.
Oh, athoma go bya di aircon mo negative 2000 degrees Celsius.
Ajenzi kuyadlala bana. Bana. Na depression like monna nangindoda madodi.
It's just a phase, boy. Wonke umuntu unokudumala sometimes. Phela wena umakasana ngithi again. Phela mana mina hey asiziyenzi lezi zinto lana phela abantwana emane. Relax.
Naka tseba unyaka. Mogolo womi.
Unile birth. Tanas, I will write, man. I'm not depressed. I just needed spinza.
Tell you baba phela sifuze chemist baba bave into zabo baba uyangithola.
Ala siphuzile. Ala no. Ndlovukazi, bathi true love is when you share your last piece of chicken naked.
Oh shaka my ilembe. Masidle sobabili.
The role player. Bayete dog. And then Nkosi yami isisi sami siyatoyitola. Ungazosibhedela. Suka la. How? Uyinkosi yenjani yokuthoka labantu bayo bafe inhlanya? Khuzeka wena. Malume, please man, that last piece. Never. Mara malume bumpyaki bayi. Kill doctor's orders. Piseki part of my subscription or a prescription. Hello, why are you jalwe? Ngoba we are sickly and painfully in love.
Yini? Don't you know you should never keep a lady waiting?
Looks like you are painfully in love alone, Malone.
You don't mind, Jelly Bean. You know you always work my soul, Langiti.
Orela nna go rela wena wena mmere kwa go kontšha lephego mo se to stressa please.
Hey, ke atoga mosha motho ke le ba ke sa tani weta
abasho esa
Mfana, ngiyathemba you have a license to kill. Otherwise, uzongithambisa umphimbo ngiyakutshela.
Hey, likaina.
Hey, shut up one. You almost jumped me off the way. Ijaheni la endleleni yami.
Ragasa ke sathani kwa.
Hayi, ngizazonke itori zeni. Ngisho no Jubjub uthi akusiwuyi. Bekathi idakamizwa. Can you believe that guy?
Simanete ora mo jive.
Hayi, ukhuleka. So sort out very fast leyo, simple. Like kuyashisa namhlanje.
Vele wabulela. Hey, emaphile man. Wafisha. Hanoyiperi hitara mona.
Watseba malume, by the time the coffee hits your nostrils, it will be too late for you. Mutako wa sketa.
Ndikudela droba remus.
Hey, it's 11 p.m. at night in the evening. Yazi ngikhumbuza umkhulu wami. Ubebhema ublongo.
Watseba ngebe huma na piece of land every time rubbish ijonga mo molomo wakho. Ngebe ona continent ka Libya.
Hayi suka. Ubulongo lobo obukhulumayo. Do you even have a driver's license?
Hey, nako dobulela nethi ngilibethe gayi.
Yabona ke manje, usungomisa umphimbo straight.
Hey, nalisente yakhe nayo. Ngizore dikarata vela. Leso ipapa.
Ini, uyisiphuphu kwesinjani esishayela emgwaqweni singaphathanga no cold drink esikhameni? Awungeke. Eyokungabi no license ngiyayizwa ke. Kodwa u cold drink pho, ubona ke manje, ufundisa umthetho. Ukunikeza ifine 11,000 rand, 282 rand and 7 cents.
Actually, you know what? I think I found my license.
Ayike, ngebhadi nangesho le license yakhe ibolile le.
Hey, usikutora gafela wena. Tshate we reka 2 liter chepedi cha Kingsley.
Cold drink is like 500 and something lapha egarage. Ngalesikhathi sobusuku. Hawazi kanti.
Lele explain me this. How can I meet? Utamelta.
Yeah, man. Plus, the cold drink is also sharp, man. Bona, you look like Steve Harvey if he ate 50 fat cooks at the same time.
Hayi, yabona ningijwayela kabi manje. Njengamanje seniboshiwe. 1096. Ngobese, kuzomela ulethe back up lana. Kuneziphukuphuku esigijima ngo260. Asiphethanga nemali ye-cold drink.
Hey, wena kita go ranga ka 36 wa ho mpethu.
Kwatsa sathana afita moto epsina ka wena ma.
Hayi, khuleka. Soyithatha iblame. And then, enye earthquake futhi.
Ufitile satha.
Motho sika senya nako a re sepele.
Morena officer. Baka di beka tsa go mona o nshale morago ke na kwa wa di hele.
Mr. Officer, lo wena wa bona this is out of your jurisdiction. More you are going to need the Messiah himself.
Awubaba Thixo somandla.
Ubile ga botse di hele ke taba go diela favor.
Yebasha la bona.
Ubuthi department of 20 rand motsile.
Ngabe lokhu mayelana ne-cold drink? Awu, kanti lokho. Hayi mina bengisidlalela njena.
Say hi to the camera. I'm taking you to a place worse than hell.
A place worse than hell? Ikuphi leyo ndawo?
Ukusha Black Twitter. Utlo trenda boy.
Gape la steak ne ke lo faila man. Gape gala go nyogela.
Yeah, you are right. I felt like I was a hawker at the gates of hell.
Nagana CTA ona se tlo ba bjang. It will probably feel like go khotleletsa mello ka di hele. You know, maybe we should seriously consider joining CA classes.
You see now, comrade, you are losing the plot now. Why do we need extra classes?
Sir, the plan is simple. Crime pass and then zishang repair.
You are right. But he's also right.
You know, this cost chowing thing is a two-way street. You can chow it or it can chow you.
Suga ngimoshela isikhathi.
I thought that's nice when I will register.
I know some of you think you can easily pass the CTA course by using the CPF method. But guess what? Today, you are straight out of luck.
That's very simple. I'll try to move.
La. Here it's very simple. If you do not study, you will become a professional dead poser. Ulama Facebook win.
You sound like a Facebook post telling me that if I don't type amen, I will die in the morning.
Mfana, ungazozenza usikhumbo yangizwa. If uzimisela ngokuphasa, you need to go through all these books.
You must be standing outside of your brain if you think you are going to study that pile of headaches.
You have to spend 30 hours studying if you want a prepare.
30 hours per year?
Per week. Exactly. You might as well break up with your girlfriend because there will be no time for that. If you have a child...
Access yakhipha ntwana, white motion on stage. Kushinamba ingane iphuzo zwakala ndoda.
No ways, come on day. I am busy here.
Ubhizi uzenza uvobela. Chapha. Bek. Nangu Pinky, nangu Bonky.
I am still busy.
Bek, ngiphethe nani, bek. Yazi ngiphethe nani? Ngiphethe namamoyane.
I'll be right there.
I'm sure you all know the rules of exam. It would be a shame for me to send one of you to the ancestors.
Bafethu, wena ngitshela ukuthi kune exam vandag. Yo, enhle kanti ngikhohle nepeni lana.
I don't think your retard level has been discovered yet.
Yeah?
What's the date?
16 November.
No, I mean, what year is it?
What? Afalile la dihlonimela go dihlonimela bana.
Yeah, I bet libe le chidi slides nyana mo tsileng.
Yes.
Esa.
What's about Odom Cop? I didn't know that you are an Olympic stupid.
You can't even change the time on your phone, mara nyo computer ka CTA.
Yo, makrizo zongibulala yi. Enhle why me vele? Ngathukile shandisi yama witchcraft manje.
Hello, Pink. Please delete my number and pretend I don't exist. Money? For what exactly? Evan, and this was a Mavuso package. I didn't get the memo. Please don't call this number again or even think about scrolling past it. Emon, uchereka di para jemon.
Yeah, le rata bjang. Matsuman. Iskrap ya tesfana na sikova pitranse krenso.
O savuchisha. Let's just say Seattle is here to mfanaka. Second half of which obvious ujo humana molojana somewhere.
Usakhuluma. Asiphuthu
Exema look. Yes, I went through hell looking for you.
When ke marlo nyeke ka di hele. O si stupid, full stop. Onyaka go install Google Maps mo pake.
And then when Ujaki, I thought Rojakalala some more before the color di wool.
What's one on you go Jagalala Mara, the max charge the better for Shokam.
What's one gave over stupid rule illegal? Give 7 life sentence, Alibian. The Maraga Jaka di low, but you want legal reverse.
Yewen, Uskam Papela Wako. Betega Apakatu Apunogwa Masenke. I think December by Louis whatever. Because 1 minute to Kabakachelet. The next minute to him learning at the gift of the givers.
Alright, let's do your regabot. All of a sudden they get back to junk status. Even our fridge is more empty than Concerta aka. Actually, I have a better plan. We must become miracle fosters. Basically, when the pastor says fire, we fall on the ground and we get paid.
You serious?
Yeah, when you just fall and the people fall for it. Prophet Major One has been doing it for ages and he's swimming in money now. I can't believe we feel a stock of our child petrol. How about in December yala rapisha ne?
I shut up, man. Prophet Major One who work in Nigeria. What am I Nigeria Kutukudu? Airtime.
What if I don't have airtime?
Oh, advance.
That's fake news, Malone. We're nearly ANN7, the same WhatsApp group.
Whether give Major 1 or give Major 2, legit over me, Lego about.
Skawara, Magasir DN next. Ovani Pusuta Babancha Marawan no.
Okay, and a pusu. Give me loyaka. Once I lay 10,000 into my pocket so that we know it's real.
Tola just stop for rock, Malone. I don't think it works like that. Hey, Arabatena Malone.
I don't want to be able to. I'm not able to fast. Pooh. What I can't believe all about one over the trickster with Layla. This is the biggest game I've seen since Bukela Bona.
All we have to do now is adopt the January survival mode.
What the hell is that?
It means from now on, Reja basic pap and cabbage salad.
Hey, I want to buy cabbage salad. Cabbage.
Well, in January, salad.
Hey, like a shabukayo. Don't wait till a limpia. Yes. It's not even halfway through January. How did January name Mikaela?
I don't know about January, but it's about December 1 week.
Hi, my register balance. Yo, number way. Can I get a call letter maintenance? You have number 14.
Adults!
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
Yeah, but I'm sure someone with low of Pala challenge.
Actually, my chin is out to local like a child here. Mutaguton Rabagan to also focus on
Adults! I know you're in there. Open this bloody door!
Hey, Mutul, wait you mean? Shh. Oh, okay.
Except for the say, that's why you guys are waiting for new videos, but Esh, Rabu Baba Fate, Rejam Piakamorai. But Maragoto Leskawar, we are busy cooking Mudimile 6, as you can see for yourself. So, in the meantime, not that one. So in the meantime, betting shot left to our website. Let's support guys. Pele, we can't work on an empty stomach. If you wanna support us, please go to our website rabaki.com and buy our t-shirts.
And cut! It's me, Mutulu. mo che ka pitšele ka ko ka re dilo tšele di aso.
All right, Masham. You have proven yourself ready for a call out.
ke a leboga motho.
I'm not done. O sa le mapimpana. So re tla go sepetša lo mongwe wa rena wa mathwadi bona. O tla go swara ka letsogo.
A ntshwara ka letsogo. What are we doing? Jumping a street? Aren't we a little bit too old for that?
Training yana ya go ya 2 minutes. E tla go bolaisa ka motlakase. And the only way I can make sure is by pairing you.
All right then. What's the job?
Re khumane tip ya gore go na le sekebeko se se connectela batho electricity illegally. Wena le George le swantse le go tlhola.
Hey, ske! Ke go le ba go rekisa motlakase mona. Nkompe wa 50 rand.
Hey, when I stupid Sahal, I'm not selling units here. I'm selling the actual electricity. If you want connection, I'm your man.
Le no joinile izinyoka. Ha no thomile go gafa.
Oh, you're so naive, Sakhala, you're Sabat.
Why o dia di tshila tse jago? A se mmereko wa Eskom.
I'm doing it for the people. Eskom out. We are on a schedule here.
Malum, o nyaka mmo.
Hey, ke dilo reka motlakase ke humana se. Stupid sa izinyoka.
I go holy my truck. Illegal connections, exposed wires, beside being illegal. This is an electrical disaster waiting to happen.
Don't worry. We are protected by the Holy Spirit.
Hey, o nagana go ka no juta motlakase wa phomele. You're gonna have to pay some hefty fines go go.
And possibly some prison time.
Prison? Benzo, run. Ishafazi Benzo.
Hey, package of the ambulance.
No, let's get them out of this dangerous area pele ka promistic. Arabeshe kwa ga Pusu is just around the corner.
I told this mogo not to mess with electricity when he came here to try and sell me a bucket of transformer oil.
Transformer oil? Are you stealing that for the people too?
I was just trying to help. Oil ya transformer ya tamu 20.
That's rubbish.
Hey, re sa bolela ka ditara. Ke na le bothata ba heartburn man, o ka nthusha. Of course, my basic package is only 4,000 bucks. Unless you want the golden package. 4,000! Tell Gamuna. He will only listen better or only. How? What do you think this is? I'm not running a charity house here. I have a degree in lawyering engineering. Hey, I'm sure Dr. Pusu. How should get it tongue in? It's Dr. Pusu to you, thank you very much.
Get me out of this mess.
Brother, there is no miracle that will get you out of this. Why not all the illegal connections almost cost us our lives?
Our scouts nice. I should tipile before. They are on their way.
My man, I can help you, but it will cost you an arm and a leg.
I will give you anything.
Okay. Put your arm on the bed.
I go.
Yes, sis. My lord, 5 hours only ka toilet. Abu tu di angamo. Bulele batile.
Hey, go get the cafe, Chawena man.
Abu tu di angamo. Opaka di tena.
It's my most stupid way.
No, you can't sit in the toilet for 5 hours. Hanu midi cho home.
Hey, we look like Jesha when.
Onyaka go mpotsa gore nako e ka moka e bo dlala game.
Game is ba re kaele to motogolo. Hey, tsamaya goed.
Kaele to game. Sa le bana sa go sona le wena se tsebang ka di game.
Go re nagana re ke fail pop. Ke tseba Google Play le Apple Store mo sha.
Hai, tshaba ke fit. Re bone game nyane ya go. Then the evil witch put a spell on King Shaka Zulu and bound him to the trap of time where he was doomed to suffer day after day. The answer, Mumus. Ereke dlale ke bona.
Hey, motogolo. Ke pasteni ya boshego. O se le ka.
Benga was good.
So venga, tele tsa mo mona. Ke nyaka o mloele tlebele ba ke Jax Majawe. Ke nyaka re a mpona mo tsileng a tlatsa marogo. Even just for extra. O mo sopa marago a tla ka mo pele.
Alright, Manix. I'm gonna need that guap straight up.
And you gotta know I got a no refund policy.
So venga, go re nagana ke janya upe. Tele tsa mo
Yo, this homie tripping, man. Hey, you gotta put some respect on my name, Playboy.
Hey, mona. Nakubuleli witchcraft.
I said you need to put some respect on my name, cause the closest they're involving with what you're saying, I heard.
What's about back in the day? The no way we do go ba nareka mo ka di sa tswa di akai. Today di gona go answer the phone tsa go botsa the closest thing for me. So venga no and ke go expose.
Man, this homie mad disrespectful. Matter of fact, look at your pants right now.
Moe. Hey, teenage woman. You are hired.
Lena metole rata batho. Malome Tuna.
Hey.
What's why you're old enough to be homo na lady's boyfriend? Mara busy dialo tabat.
Asinto inagana motolo.
Lena le nagana ke nagana re keng. Le sele malome.
Hey, shut up. Ele re ke na kwa wa ga yene. A re phakishe o bole mo tswang gona.
Malome ska change the subject. Ke re ntwe keng e? Eh? Ke eng ntwe?
Ha ke marawa ka fela motolo. Motho le ba ke so benga o loile. Ke mo gopetse rampe sample ya bollo tsena bo ba ga before ke reka.
Male loile. Lanshasha. If that's your bumps, then this is my elbow.
Hey, skam papela we. Ha di tsebe tsa go di tshibane. Ke motho ga bolela le wena. Go se le la ga dumedisa motho a pere di earphone. O bole wa le mashego. O ke di ile topi ya lapa le.
E be re ngwala test malome.
Ke test mo hutse ma yene o. E le go ngwala le tsona.
Ke bolaile malome.
O se le bele o ka fila bo. Se tlo go iswa moya ntile o ikwa.
Nenga fila. Pula e kana ka mo fire.
Wa gafa mohunoko.
Malome. Wa ile mpitsa mohu bjalo.
Ke a practice. Gape ke setse dira go boloka. Ke mo go kokotsa go shego so.
I won. Le nyaka nka mo ga elene.
Re dilo bona malome ya go mo wena rata go bona wena.
Le mona ga dia ke movie gane.
Try body le. O ka tla o engage le yona. O tlo tloga mo nkga.
Hey, pakishan le boele skutise le tswa mo go sona before ke le bontsha movie. Sibi. Sa. Yo. O sa parami mo wena.
Ngiyabela mo yo spineless coward. Hey, futak.
Ibele mamotolo.
Ebe batho ba le ba di insurance. Gape since it's true kwale ba paka one side. Ba thomile go kitya di joy of us witness.
Hey, mpetse di fiteletse.
Wena go wena le tsopatoe. Matone. Re tlile go boledishana le wena ka thuri e o romelang yona kwa sekolo.
Le tlo mpana ka masa. Ba le romile gane.
E ke nako e re ne le wena fela Matons. Wena ke ro gana o tla sekolong. Sentse re boledishana ka segwagwa se.
What's my king? I am very busy right now. Go play the next year.
Sibi!
Run on my way.
Mr. Gupta! Mr. Gupta! How wena papa? What is this? You are under arrest, papa. Is this a joke? You can't arrest me. Do you know who I am? Yeah, man, you are that fat cat who landed his plane illegally in Pretoria. Exit. And next time, I'm going to land it at the graveyard. Tim, listen to this cat. Yo, thoughts. This is not cool, cat. This is Final Destination. So start like it as magic nyana moya mapanteng pandag. Are gatla o gatloga skelem. O tlogela ne tlhaoshinya letso ka re faretswe ke spice. Keng, o bona packet gana. Delivery for Mr. Gupta. So easy. Hello, darlings. Pose like you're on a shrimp. Aha, my parcel. Hey, what is that? Gentlemen, behold. What is it? I call it the Zooptanator. Maregua. All I do is press red button, I tell it what to do, and kapoosh, it happens. Watch this. Zoo nationalized their weapons. Lukula Lily Alloy. Harry Potter, what a spice. Now get off my property before I zooptinate all of you. Wabesa. Nago chabi catnap. Lizupta what nyana yao. Okay then. Zooptinate him. Jesus Christ, somebody do something. He's not breathing. I have to perform CPR. I'm going in. Mouth to mouth. Fuck back. When I saw music was sailor, you swine. What did you do? What did you do? I get a one. It's a real order, la jama kuleno ba de Hong Kong. Yellow ya tronco and kitty cat.
I'm innocent, man. I want to see my lawyer. I do not. I know you can hear me, you baboon. Yo, Black Sam.
Hey. Are we gonna get raped or what?
Why, man, I have to get out of here. I have a gig on Saturday.
As you can see, the whole South Africa is so cold that I don't know whether I should cry or keep on telling that it's cold. There's been tornadoes, floods, and snow all over the country.
Ish, thank God for your electronic compound. Hey, Rabutunyo Godia, sit inside it. This thing is close enough. Bloody Escom.
Yes. Get Escom for give us pala.
Wait a minute. When I let Matagasaka next door. Matagaswar na fedile malone. Your electronic rubbish if it jump Tagasware. Rutodi ama.
Yeah, when I come home, Motolo. What do you think a roof breach?
Unyogo heka Motagas.
I didn't see any other plan on the table. In fact, I didn't see the table at all.
Are you sure you know what you're doing? Ogaso Tatamulle.
Musha, electricity is my thing. Besides, the Mutarasu Fedile, so I want them Tarasu Kanchoka.
Oka Rola Falamo at least will collect grand money.
Even picture resistor, let me show you how this is done.
Malum! Push up! You will take a Matagas Tower Tatamon. Yeah, never resist. No.
Hush. Oh, you know why I really meet a box so it's a setup.
You are not very smart, ne? It's so sad because your skin complexion is brighter than you. Hey, stay put me resisto. No. Hey, who the hell are you?
Dumela, ke nna George. I'm from Eskom.
Yeah, so?
Go na le power grid failure and it appears to be caused by one of the houses around this area. Can I come in and check?
Aye, there's nothing wrong in here. Don't feel like a Matagas. Now, Tamaya before you just CV it like away. CV? Ha!
Brother, calm down. I'm here to help. You are not the only one who doesn't have electricity. The whole neighborhood is out.
Serras?
Struce Bob. Banna ba gesho, bothata shebo. This is basically a ticking time bomb. Brother, kompo ya lena mo ya Boko Haram is hazardous enough to cause multiple injuries, or even worse, multiple fatalities. Exposed cables, frayed cords. This house feels like walking in a jigsaw trap. You must not overload plugs or repurpose appliances. It is dangerous. Where's the meter box? And then, what happened here?
Hey, see, stupid this was a occupation resistor happened. Maroska Wanga, you learned this lesson.
Only a qualified electrician from Eskom can open this box.
Hey.
Hala, la. jotlhe di tsamaya ka thelelo.
Malome, go na le morekiši o mongwe o di ya magwinya ka transformer oil kwa kgoning.
O reng? Aowa, I'm calling Eskom. Today I wonder what touchang Bry except for nna. Bry Master Dons. Hey, ke mang o? O rekisitse dikebeko ka mo gae motlogolo. You know the rules. Family owned.
But Malone, we've been following each other since COVID. He's basically family.
Awa, that's what you secure code. Don't my mind.
Relax, Malone. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Motlogolo ntwa se buka e. Ye ke docket. Ha ona nama for the stranger.
Eish, hard and twanas. Wa bona mogala bo ko beta machine.
It's fine ninja mama. Like orderle something.
Malome dance.
Ke ngwen.
Nama ya swa.
Hayibo.
Ya ne.
Hey, motlogolo wa ka wa aesthetically pleasing abstract facial art. Ha o ne go share family full house meal ya gago le family ya go ye ntshwa.
Svar uncle.
Hey, the road is down, no, mama. Hey, Jama, what is it? Stupid.
Eban, malome wa re seleng.
I want to roll a move about. I get nonsense. Move out of steering. Steering to horror.
It's just a movie. Togela go kitla papaya, batho ba laba go.
Awa, la ke nyaka tšhelete ya ka bag. Nka be rekile braya pack ra shiba go di tšepeng. I get nonsense logic. Hey, o di bjang wena? O shebile Stitch? Ke go thuša go nyaka.
Malome, bona le pudi e nngwe e lathegile ka kwa gae.
Ke na mawe. Pakiša o founile maphodisa.
A mastape wa ba tseba, ba tlo feta e tšhaile. A re tšhaela one. Hey! O nagana Rudia, re gotantla le menemene.
Hey, batswadi ba ba di senya energy ba ba di ya motho. Ba di ya toolbox ya go thoka dipanere.
Yo, lentang just straight. Somewhere somehow I'm speechless.
Go ba gona ke se stupid sa motho a mang sa go utswa fridge.
Yes, if my hands weren't full, I was going to shake your hand. Hey, lentang jagawots, I never expected it. This is a setup. How did you know I was here?
AG50 entry level alarm system, papa.
We don't even have to pay per month. Go swara dikebeko tša go swana le wena.
Yo. An alarm that's connected to a cell phone.
Hey, connected to 8 people, stupid.
Hey, hands down. If you can talk about tell my dog well, go one, hey, sorry. Hey, when you get stop belling now about.
How's ka warning? There's a better security system waiting for you where you're going.
Hey, man.
Hey, monkey. Lidiamo.
Your alarm is ringing on my cell phone.
Hey, AG50 killing Yasa. Obali Stratton has created a community crime prevention network.
Just nana chillax. I know what I'm doing.
Ga no ke timedi kae?
The sneaker tagata limited edition in the land. And then I see if it's in 10 minutes. Or if the guard just Hey, man. Why can't you look out now? Mutokin Namos. Kiwili. Awa. Kifinrale akai. Awa bana, batho ba kae? Hey bana, kazunya ka mo funeraleng yaka. A ke mo fostane le go mo fostana nda man. Ibile we pretty limited edition tja ka bana. Din sambyalo.
Uskalla my sugar lips. He's gone now.
Sugar lips. Ay man, what's going on here?
I know, baby. Get tears of joy.
What? Awa.
Motlogolo, o tsogile. Welcome back, Lazarus.
I'm not dead. Yes.
Maybe get a packet. After you've been in a coma for 2 weeks.
You wish, Malone. I'm too fresh to expire. Wait, man. What? Chabat, why ke go kilo ka ke na khumya monyane?
Aga. Le tsorile papa.
Awa.
Abile wa bana ready hore ka fapantša marago. Hey, ke lepisitše ko go bona marago a bozotwa go setafala.
Oh, and by the way, Malome, re le baka.
As far away as possible.
Works for me. Gape nna ke lepisitše ko go hema moyo mowane le batho ba go swana le Vicky Mombeck. Gape re hema ditšhila, man. Ngwane le o lebelela o ka re o ka mo kisa o tlo taster o ka re ke bia maabane bošego. So tell me, ke mang a to kukang wheelbarrow?
Wa bona bothata ka le la baswa. Gore le go tšeka purity le di-artist. Le ke go tšeka bogobe le mokuša bošang. Re go bontše di-results.
Malome, that sounded a bit serious. O sure ga o nyaka go ya toilet o checka re go di aga nka mo.
Hey, shut up wena mapimpane.
Le re to fire bjang because re chaile malome.
Awa, gape ke gale re eme batho ba modimo. Sa le re ema go tloga ka temesese e era. Ga di ba se inventa na. Hey Motlogolo, ga ne go di aga lana. Ga ne re decorate le bus stop.
Hey Matala man, relax man, it's vinini siyabulala. All this worrying might activate your arthritis.
Ako wa bona bele o jump red light. Ga ne mma wa go rutsa go bolela le batho ba bagolo.
Ha o hlese moya Matala, ibhasi yeza bakithi.
I driver ke ma John Cena.
Angicabangi njalo, why?
Because I can't see it.
Yo.
Salamin, o nagana go rutia eng?
Gape re apiega ka mo. Wena o swe.
Kazi, do you even have the slightest comprehension? Ya gore petrol e tura bja or wike we go block the signal. Yo.
Yane. Ga tshike dingane ka montle.
O ka se mpitse stingy o pere mmopo a go chipa motho. Re se go chipa motho.
Alright, Tinoku. Taba Salamina. Try to dress lighter in hotter months to reduce the use of the aircon. That's more fuel efficient.
What's with the robot, Joe? Send us long about robotics in bed.
No, that's a resego. The fuel bad.
That's right. Times are tough and that's why I am here. To help you with tips on how to save on fuel.
Resego. I want the tips to resurrect as close to Salamina in your programming. Some of you, Ratsiba or Sancho, let's ama the plaque at our tona lebu, Vesco PC, Lewo Taba Mop, Maraditama di Parlamentally di Rad. Aye. Tenderpreneur is Mashaba Ulendi. Earring soft life mungwadi. Oh, Osaja Pega.
Hey, Uskambora, Ntua se Pega. Kisha love me tender. The real big cheese.
Washala wen. I bet nuggets anymore tender kid massive. Comrade.
Afternoon, Mr. Mashaba.
Good afternoon. What's the next step? I'm ready for the millions.
Yeah, unfortunately, Mr. Mashaba, your application was not successful. Better luck next time, ne?
My guy. How? I bet you regular lifestyle.
You look bored. It's time to say bye-bye to the 4x4. Back to the 1x1. Aluta continua.
Awazi. Mfana zile zamshiya wangena bo ma-institution. And since abuyile, ngathi bamloye ngensimbi, uguga mlibe lo muntu.
Abutse dintsanga yena mutakuki.
Awazi. Mfana zile zamshiya wangena bo ma-institution. Since abuyile, athi uloyiwe kahle kahle. Siyaguga insimbi waya.
5, 6, 7, 13,
and then
14.
Why jumping or standard 6 How do you go from 7 to 13?
Hey, buzz off! You prepare the stomach in marathon.
Marathon? Kamba jedika. Kilireke di super slider kwa chicken naked. Togalandi chiba di muchacha di marathon.
Now Skampal, I'm on a diet. I am a vegetarian now.
But Dimba Jale Nadi to me.
yane butonzi le rata dilo yes a le bia nompatšako ka festival ya the yanos aowa dingwaile Moving terrorism is temporary. Marahanga is forever. Tika the super sliders gin.
Yeah. Uchinang Mr. Venjan Terrier.
Black Urunya Garkidiing.
Kiregaga Rolly Sender Lompatella Maradi for Matud. I mean one and Lishanda Pali. One more Luen, a cheap one cheaper boot.
Maradi. So, meaning or Unugunshakamo I Katie.
And lastly, Wanowaruna unalo over 30,000 followers more Instagram. Don't get me started on her engagements. So rebata di khomodile 15
cows. Awa marumo fa se bagarish. Violence eka.
Awa batla gore ke ire 20.
Eish. A nigga sorry the soul bites.
Malumi, linyoko patela magadi ya ka di nuggets.
That's right. It's already soul bites just 6.
Now you're talking. A compose. A golofa utlile le soul fireness.
Ah, warra. Unchebia mar. Of course. Hey bana Chucks. Uchuna. Intsamu mfethu.
To organize a march.
March for in.
Zex nakila pishiki the moto suba trita mapena ukara sebana ba mudimu.
Ungwana mudimu wena?
Yeah.
Equal.
We are all equal under the sun.
Yele baka go bobola.
Habakazama anything ifanda. Go batlalia kwa SPCA.
SPCA. Mapena ga covered under SPCA.
Rikoma.
Ayaya, wapaiza wena mus. Chucks the motors are dark.
Aye.
As I am fed.
I wanna work here. I'm standing my ground.
Oh, okay. Rest in peace, ne? Urabala ka khotso bafanas.
The motors must fall. 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 Which ambulance?
Hey! Hey fam, this brings us to the last part of the best and funniest videos. Nuku Mashaba fam. But go subscribe into Nuku Mashaba's channel. You're gonna find Nuku Mashaba's channel into the description below. Otokrea his YouTube channel, TikTok, Otokrea lo the description below. Okonomo follow. Ke kwa di videos tsa Nuku Mashaba to di krango teng. All of them. Video tse tle di reactela mo tse di lebella mo ke di tlhako di link in the link on the description below. If you click on those links, you're gonna find the Nuku Mashaba's content. So as you know, on each and every video, what we do, we read a Bible verse and then we do a short prayer. So for this video, we're gonna be doing Psalm 35 and then we're gonna do a short prayer, which is our Father. Psalm 35, I'm reading from the English Standard Version. This is the Holy Bible. Great is the Lord of David. Contend, O Lord, with those who contend with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Take hold of shield and butler and rise for my help. Draw the spear and javelin against my pursuers. Say to my soul, I am your salvation. Let them be put to shame and dishonor who seek after my life. Let them be turned back and disappointed who devise evil against me. Let them be like chaff before the wind with the angel of the Lord driving them away. Let their way be dark and slippery with the angel of the Lord pursuing them. For without cause they hid a net for me, without cause they dug a pit for my life. Let destruction come upon him when he does not know it, and let the net that he hid ensnare him. Let him fall into it, to his destruction. Then my soul will rejoice in the Lord, exulting in his salvation. All my bones shall say, O Lord, who is like you, delivering the poor from him who is too strong for him, the poor and needy from him who robs him. Malicious witnesses rise up. They ask me of things that I do not know. They repay me evil for good. My soul is buried, but I, when they were sick, I was sackcloth. I afflicted myself with fasting. I prayed with head bowed on my chest. I went about as though I grieved for my friend or my brother. As one who laments his mother, I bowed down in mourning. But at my stumbling, they rejoiced and gathered. They gathered together against me, wretches whom I did not know, tore at me without ceasing, like preferred mockers at a feast. They gash at me with their teeth. How long, O Lord, will you look on? Rescue me from their destruction, my precious life from the lions. I will thank you in the great congregation. In the mighty throne, I will praise you. Let not those rejoice over me who are wrongfully my foes, and let not those wink the eye who hate me without cause, for they do not speak peace, but against those who are quiet in the land. They devise words of deceit. They open wide their mouth against me. They say, Aha, our eyes have seen it. You have seen, O Lord, be not silent. O Lord, be not far from me. Awake and rouse yourself for my vindication, for my cause, my God and my Lord. Vindicate me, O Lord, my God, according to your righteousness, and let them not rejoice over me. Let them not say in their hearts, Aha, our heart's desire. Let them not say, we have swallowed him up. Let them be put to shame and disappointed altogether, who rejoice at my calamity. Let them be clothed with shame and dishonor, who magnify themselves against me. Let those who delight in my righteousness shout for joy and be glad, and say evermore, Great is the Lord who delights in the welfare of his servant. Then my tongue shall tell of your righteousness and of your praise all the day long. That was Psalm 35, and now we're gonna do a short prayer, which is our Father. So pray with me, because I do this prayer on each and every video. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Let your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who have trespassed against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory belongs to you, my Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.